Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. We're here at Patrick Otis, arguably the, if not the best, kind of like the Ferrari repair, go-to, restore in at least the whole West Coast. Wow. Morning. Today's Cars and Coffee. That is something. Gosh, this is a, what year is this? This is a supercharger from...
It was made at the end of 48, but it was on a 49 Ferrari Grand Prix car. And I was just telling the guys that they were cutting this car up, and my friend Peter Coltrane was there and asked Ferrari what he was going to do with the superchargers, and he said, we melt them and get the new car from this material. And Coltrane said, well, I'd like to have them as a souvenir. And Ferrari said, well, whatever do you want with them? Mm-hmm. Well, just as a keepsake, because I'm a
historian. Yeah. Or a guy who likes to collect...
And then Peter died, and his wife gave me the supercharger.
Wow. Wow.
The guys that built this came from Alfa Romeo. I mean, that's...
Thank you, Ben. Oh! Root supercharger. Okay, we came here a little late, but we've got Chris here telling us, okay, what are we looking at?
Yeah, so you can start down here. It's a 49 Ferrari. It's a
Yes.
V12. And so it had a compound supercharger setup where this is driven off the crank. And that supercharger over yonder on that table is the bigger, lower supercharger.
Wow.
And so Mr. Otis had a friend that was at Ferrari, that was visiting Ferrari at the time when they were scrapping this.
Scrapping them.
Yeah. So he asked, "Can I have the superchargers?" And they were like, "What for?" He's like, "Just for fun."
Yeah, just
And
as
so,
a memento, right?
Yeah. So the superchargers are the only thing left of this car. Nothing else was saved.
Nothing else is... Yeah, that's... Oh, Chris, thank you for sharing that.
Of course.
Oh, my God. Ben, what are we talking about today? The clock.
The 2000 GT.
Everyone always talks about the design, the motor. Nobody talks about the clock.
It's not a second.
I see it. I see what you're saying.
It's so.
It is pretty delightful. Okay, so here, I'll trade your places.
Maybe real Seiko.
Is it a real Seiko?
No,
Keeps
it's a
on
Jacko.
ticking.
This one. Do you have a drawer
Wow.
one of these?
This Lotus Super 7, huh? Oh, wow. Oh, man. That is the color combo, too, I think. Here's something you can't fake in terms of the age of a store. These Ferrari posters used to be red, and now they're yellow due to the light. Here's also a GTO right there. Look at that. And it's still cool. From red to yellow. Patrick Otis.